Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to be testing my motorized bicycle to see if it will still work after a month of not riding it. And plus it's almost winter time, so I don't know if the motor will have any problems starting up because it's too cold. I don't know, so I'll be testing it out today. I actually got a new GoPro, so you'll be able to see the road ahead of me driving. I expected this chest mount to look like this, but instead it actually looked like that. So I do apologize in advance. So I'm going to get into it. You can see where it's been stored up in our garage for a little while. I'm going to make sure if we still have any gas yet in this. Yeah, we barely got any. I'm actually out of gas in the gas tank or the gas can, so I'm going to have to make sure I don't run out of gas and have to pedal it home. I believe that tire on the bicycle I am restoring is the same size as that bicycle tire, or just about. The treads on this one, of course, is bigger. That's bigger than that, and because those are road tires, these are actually off-road tires. Now I did notice whenever I was starting up the bike, I heard this clicking noise. It could be the spark plug, it could be because I was low on gas.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Oh crap, I ran out of gas. Come on. Side note, do not forget to put more gas in. Make sure the tank is full before riding.
One eternity later.
Okay, so I finally got back home after I ran out of gas. I'm winded, but that is beside the point. So I'm gonna have to get more gas. This video is part 1 of 2 videos. That the next video I'll be actually taking my whole bicycle apart, trying to modify it and make it go even faster, because I'm not happy with it not going only like 30 to 35 miles per hour. My average speed is 16 miles per hour. Down minor hills, it's just like 30. So I have a few things I'm wanting to work on, but I still hope you enjoyed this video. Please like if you like this video. Please subscribe, and please share this video to your friends and everybody. I'm almost to 500 subscribers, so please subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.